welcome back on Almatravels. I'm here in Unterschächen right now. We're going on Sittlisalp. I'm without Alan today. He's at work, so I have some support parents that help me taking care of the kids while I take videos. So we go up there with this cable car, and I hope you guys gonna enjoy. Look, da Säule drin. Hallo Säule. Ciao, ciao Säule. So 𝐒𝐢𝐭𝐭𝐥𝐢 means pig in Swiss German, in my dialect. We have many different dialects and 4 different main languages in Switzerland. They are Swiss German, French, Italian, and a very rare language called Romansh. Here you can find a cheese factory where you can buy freshly made products like yogurt, there was chocolate milk, or of course cheese, and many other nice and cheap products. I always enjoy this landscape, even after all those years. Hiking is not just great to get fitter, but to clear your mind. I feel really lucky to have the opportunity to hike that often and see all those things. I love to share this with you guys, and I hope you enjoy as much as I do. And we're almost at the end of the video. This is the first part, so leave us a comment and give us a thumbs up if you like it. Thanks for watching our video, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Ciao ciao!